Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your Maytag washing machine is making a grinding noise and how to fix it. Let's get started. The grinding sound can be caused by overloading. When your wash load has exceeded the instructed volume, the basket might not spin freely, causing a grinding sound. Make sure your hand moves freely within the close. Confirm the weight of the close indicated in the manual and remove the extra load. A clogged pump filter can also cause the grinding noise. The pump filter on your Maytag washer might get clogged with debris, lint, or small items. Turn off your washing machine and locate the pump filter. It's usually at the front bottom of the washer. Remove it, clean it, and ensure there's no more debris. Reinstall it as before. An unleveled washing machine also makes these noises. Ensure that the washing machine is level with its legs standing firmly on a flat, solid ground. Inspect the washer and level it accordingly. Adjust the legs if necessary. Look out for damaged tub bearings. The function of the tub bearing is to ensure the inner tub is spinning smoothly and quietly. If it is strained, it can cause annoying thumps, especially during a cycle. A damaged bearing will need replacement. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.